A very good morning, students. Today we are going to complete the whole numbers only as it is, right? We are left with the last topic of last exercise 2.2, and with this we will be completing whole numbers. Yes, right? So we have
Yes, ma'am.
understood all the properties of whole numbers. Yes or no? We have discussed as what is a
Yes,
closure
ma'am.
property,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is a commutative property, what is associative property. Then which I am missing? Distributive property, multiplicative identity, additive identity, multiplicative and properties of zeros and ones. Yes, we have discussed all these things. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
and based on those, we have discussed also how to solve questions, and in the questions how to identify which property is applicable. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Today
ma'am.
we will be doing
ये बायोलॉजी का पहले का था क्लास।
Yes, ma'am.
मेरी लेफ्ट नहीं हो रही है, मैं क्लास नहीं खत्म।
Arjun, and today we will be learning some more types of word problems and provings. Provings, you know, in which LHS and RHS both is given, means the left hand side of a equation and right hand side. Before that, and some fill in the blanks, how to solve using the properties. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Few I will be doing in the form of
Yes,
slide
ma'am.
shares. Few I will be doing in the form of slide shares, and rest we will be doing together in the with the help of paint. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So please,
Yes,
someone,
ma'am.
by the time I am opening my slides, please someone read the question number 10 for me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
a
I
vendor supplies 67 liters
of
of
milk
milk
to a
to a
hotel
hotel in the
in the
morning and
morning and
33 liters
33
of milk
liters of
in the
milk in the
evening.
evening.
If the
If
milk
the
costs
milk costs
rupees
rupees
37 per
37
liter,
per
how
liter,
much money
how
is
much
due
money
to the
is due to
vendor
the
per
vendor per day?
Okay. Sorry, I have opened the wrong one. Let me correct it. So, can you guess which property is being applicable here? Which property is being applicable here? Any
Ma'am,
guesses?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, distributive property.
Ma'am,
Distributive
distributive
property,
property.
yes. Distributive
Distributive.
property.
Distributive property.
So,
Ma'am,
morning 67 liters, yes,
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
evening 33 liters. But the cost of per liter, 1 liter of milk is rupees 37, and we have to calculate the total cost. Yes, total
Yes,
cost
ma'am.
is
Yes,
what?
ma'am.
67 into 37 plus 33 into 37. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
applying the distributive property, what we can do? We can take out 37 as common, right? And
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
inside
Ma'am,
bracket it will be,
67 plus 33 into bracket.
and 67 plus 33 is 100, and this gives us rupees 3700. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this type, this it is same as ninth question. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
let's come to a proving type question. In question number 11, the question says A is equals to 15, B is equal to 7, and C is equals to 3. Okay, first step. Now, in the second step, we will be writing whatever equation is given to us to prove. What is given? A into B plus C is equals to A into B and plus A into C. See, whatever written on the left hand side of the equation is called left LHS, and whatever is written on the right hand side of the equation is called as RHS. What it is called as?
Ma'am, RHS.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
RHS.
RHS.
Ma'am,
RHS.
Ma'am,
We will be
RHS.
writing in two columns. क्या करेंगे? दो कॉलम की तरह. कॉलम बनाएंगे नहीं, लेकिन इस तरह से लिखेंगे दो कॉलम्स बन जाए. One column will be heading LHS and the other column will be heading RHS. समझ में आया लिखने का तरीका?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
LHS
ma'am.
का LHS का इक्वेशन A into B plus C. and R in the below RHS equation, that is A into plus A into C. Now, in the next step, we will be substituting the values. See, then A will be substituted by 15 multiplied by B will be 7, C will be 3, and we will be solving RHS, LHS. So it is 15, 7 plus 3 is 10, 15 multiplied by 10 is equal to 150. LHS column over. Now coming to the RHS column. Again we will be substituting the values. 15 will be 15 into B is 7 plus 15 into 3. Understood? And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
15, 7, and we
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
solving it. So 15 into 7 is 105 plus 15 into 3 is 45. And the answer is 105. Sorry, it should be,
Ma'am.
I have written wrong. Okay, 150. It is 150. Sorry. There's a
Excuse
mistake.
me, ma'am.
Wait. Let me correct the typing error and then you speak. Let me do the typing, correct the typing error. What do you want to speak? Please, by the time, speak out.
Ma'am, please ask Rishita to off her a camera because your screen is paused and I can't see your screen.
Please, I have already told you all to switch off your cameras. That's from your side. Please be smart enough and means whatever say I can say for you. You have to cooperate with your friends. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's do a revision section because some error was there. So this much I have done, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. So now the correction is done. That is 150. 105 plus 45 is 150. Now this much is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Writing method is clear. You have to write it in the same way in your classwork copies also.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So now the next step. Since LHS and RHS are equal, this equation is true.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
can
Yes,
anyone
ma'am.
ma'am.
say which property is here? We have proved. Which property we have proved?
Ma'am,
Distributive property over addition.
Ma'am, distributive
Okay.
property over
And the
addition.
question was asking, you have to not only prove, and if it is proved it is correct, then you have to tell the property also. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So will you be able to do the rest of the parts?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the 18th, then we will be doing orally. Then we will be going to the 18th one. First let's do the 18th one and then we will be moving back to 12th one. Okay? Okay?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
18th
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
18th question, I've taken the first one for you. It's saying you have to simplify it, but it has not said you have to use it has said you have to use property. Okay, but in the exam it might be not written also. In the exam it might be not written also. So if in simplification, if any property is being applicable, please use it. मेरी बात समझ में आई?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So what should be my first step? What property can you see here is being used?
Ma'am, distributive property over addition.
Yes. And which number
Distributive property over addition.
taken out as common?
Ma'am, 785.
Ma'am, 785. Ma'am, 785.
Am I right in writing it like this? 785
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So now
ma'am.
what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
next step? What is the next step?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
785 into
Ma'am, 785 into
100. Ma'am, 785 into 100.
Yes,
Ma'am,
because
785
after
into 100.
adding 27 plus 43 plus 50,
Ma'am, 100.
100.
Ma'am, 785 into 100.
So what is the next step? We have to write the property. Distributive property over addition.
Addition.
Ma'am,
Then
over addition.
785 into 100 and this is Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's come to the question number 12, which will be done by you, and I will be listening to the answers, because it can be done orally also, but you will be doing, you know how to do it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, come on. First one. Well, first one answer. First one answer.
5,521.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 5217. Ma'am, 5217.
You will be spelling it
Ma'am,
out.
5217 divided by 1.
Okay, class, I will be reading
Ma'am,
the question.
5217.
5217. Okay. 0 divided by 89.
Ma'am,
Zero.
0.
Ma'am, not defined.
Ma'am, 0.
0 divided by 89 is
Zero. Ma'am,
Zero.
Ma'am, zero.
okay. 6250. 6250 divided by 10.
Ma'am, 6 to 5.
625.
Ma'am, 6 to 5. Ma'am, 6
Ma'am,
to
6 to
5.
5.
Ma'am, 6 to 5. Ma'am,
23
6 to 5.
divided by 0. 23 divided by 0.
Ma'am, not defined. Ma'am, not
Ma'am, not
defined.
defined.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
not defined.
Ma'am, not defined.
Divided by 8. 240
Mm.
divided by 8.
Ma'am, 30.
30. Very good. 24. 30. 2700 divided
Ma'am,
by
300. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
300.
300. Ma'am, 300.
oral.
Ma'am, 300.
These were oral.
Ma'am, 300.
Ma'am, 300.
Okay. 13, 14 and 15, 13, 14, 15, 16 will be done by you. Examples are given already. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Hints are already given for you. So come to question number which?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 17.
Ma'am, 17.
So first blank. 105 plus dash is equals to 10 plus dash.
Ma'am,
You have
105 plus 10.
Ma'am, 105
Ma'am,
plus 10.
105 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 105.
Ma'am, 105 plus 10 is equals to 10 plus 105.
So you are saying 105 plus 10 is equals to 10 plus 105. Can you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
which property? Can you tell which property?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, commutative.
ma'am, same number.
Ma'am, commutative. Ma'am, commutative.
Is there any same number property called? कोई property होती है?
Ma'am, commutative.
No, ma'am.
Commutative. Commutative. Very good.
Commutative.
21. 21 multiplied by dash is equals to 75 multiplied by dash.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
21
into
multiplied by
75
75 is equal to 75 multiplied by 21.
Which property?
Ma'am, commutative.
Ma'am, commutative property.
Ma'am, commutative property.
1 minute. How can I know कि commutative किसका? Addition है का multiplication का?
Multiplication.
You have to
Ma'am,
define.
multiplication.
First one was commutative property of addition and second one was commutative property of multiplication. Okay.
Multiplication.
91 plus dash.
Ma'am, 91 plus 75 plus 32 is equal to 91 plus 75 plus 32.
75 plus 32.
अच्छा बेटा एक मिनट सुन लो, मेरी बात सुन लो. There is a misprint in your question. 91 जो सेकंड वाले ब्रैकेट में है, देखो जो इक्वल टू के आरएचएस में देखो,
Yes, ma'am.
प्लस साइन ब्रैकेट के बाहर होना चाहिए. करेक्शन कर लो.
Okay, ma'am.
मिसप्रिंट है, उस मिसप्रिंट को सही कर लो.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
मैम मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया आपने क्या कहा, प्लीज आप एक और बार रिपीट कर देंगी.
Properly. In the third question, LS in the RHS, not the LHS. In the RHS, it should be 91 plus bracket, not bracket plus 91. Sorry, 91 plus bracket plus नहीं होगा. It should be 91 plus bracket.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
You can recognize the printing mistake. Yes or no? You can recognize.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what
Yes,
should
ma'am.
be in the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
be 75. In the second bracket, it will be
32.
'Ma'am, 32.
Which
Ma'am,
property?
associative property of
Ma'am,
addition.
32.
Ma'am, associative
Ma'am,
property
32.
of addition
Property of
32.
addition.
Now,
Ma'am, ma'am, associative property of addition.
5 plus 7 bracket 71 plus 29 is equal to 100 plus dash.
Ma'am, 100 plus 85. Ma'am, 100 plus 85.
95.
And which
Ma'am,
property?
100 plus 85.
Which property?
Ma'am,
distributive
ma'am,
property of addition. Ma'am, distributive property.
property over addition.
Ma'am, distributive property over addition.
First, let's. Is there any
Distributive property over
multiplication?
addition.
Is there any multiplication sign with addition or?
No, ma'am.
So how can it be
Ma'am,
distributed?
over addition.
Ma'am, over addition.
Ma'am, over addition.
How can it be distributive when no multiplication sign is shown there?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what should be the answer?
Ma'am, commutative property. Ma'am, commutative property.
Closure.
Ma'am, commutative
Property
property
over
over
addition. Ma'am, commutative property.
It is showing both commutative and associative. Why? Because if we take 3 sets at a time, it's associative, right? But after association, it is doing commutation. मेरी बात समझ में आई या नहीं? पहले वो एसोसिएट कर रहा है, एसोसिएट करने के बाद तुरंत 100 जैसे आंसर आ रहा है उसको कम्यूटेट कर दे रहा है. So it is showing both the properties, that is associative and commutative. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Not only one, it is showing both the properties, associative and commutative.
Commutative.
Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. 967 multiplied by dash is equal to 967.
Ma'am,
One.
One.
One multiplicative identity.
Multiplicative identity. Very good. Because in case of multiplicative identity, we get the one back, the same number back. Very good. Then 75 divided by dash equals to 1.
75.
Ma'am, 75.
Ma'am, 75. Ma'am, division by the same
75.
number.
Ma'am, 75.
Division by the same number.
G. 43 multiplied by 75 plus 25 is equals to 43 multiplied by dash plus dash multiplied by 25. What should be the first? What should be in the first blank?
Ma'am, 75. Ma'am, 75.
And what should be in the second blank?
75. Ma'am, 43. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
43.
43. Ma'am, distributive property over addition.
Ma'am, 43.
43. Ma'am, distributive property over addition.
Distributive property over addition.
Over
Ma'am,
addition.
distributive
Very good.
property over addition.
Last one. 791 into 98 is equal to 791 into bracket 100 minus dash.
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 100 minus 2.
Ma'am, distributive
And which
property.
property?
Ma'am, distributive property of
Ma'am, 100 minus 2. Ma'am, distributive property over
100 minus 2.
subtraction.
Ma'am,
Over subtraction.
ma'am, distributive property over subtraction.
Over subtraction.
Subtraction.
So, with this I
Ma'am, subtraction.
end my whole numbers. With this I end my whole numbers, and we will be doing with next chapter. Which next chapter?
Fractals and multiple.
Ma'am, fractals.
Ma'am, fractals and multiples.
Okay. Any queries from your side? Any queries from your side?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Is that okay? Now the last thing which we are going to learn is the magic square. What is the last thing? Which
Ma'am, magic
based on
square.
this-
Ma'am, magic square.
Ma'am,
based
magic.
on this, we are not going to do any questions, but we will be going to understand the concept if the question comes. Okay. So can you see my screen? No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now
See, ma'am, I can see.
Yes, ma'am, I can see
Ma'am,
also.
now we can see.
I can see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we
okay,
can see.
okay, done. It's enough now. Now let's understand the concept. Now, see, there is a square. Oh, sorry. Instead of, wait, there is a square, right? And it is broken into 9 sub squares. Okay. Please close your books and only listen to me and my screen. Have you closed your books?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I hope it's looking like a square. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 4. And there are numbers feeded in it. Okay. So, I'm writing the numbers. Wait. For example, here I am taking 2, 7. I will be telling how the numbers are feeded. Then first let me write the numbers because I have taken already a blank for you. 5, 1, 4, 3, and 8. Okay. Now, whatever I will be telling you, you will be doing simultaneously. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. These are called rows. These are called rows. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These are called columns. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please give me the sum of the first row. What is the sum of the first row? 2 plus 7 plus 6.
Ma'am,
is
2
equal to
plus
how
7 plus
Ma'am
6.
15. Ma'am
Ma'am,
15.
Ma'am, 15.
15.
Ma'am, 15. Ma'am, 15.
50? Confirm?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am 15.
Ma'am, 1 5 15.
Ma'am, 1 by
Okay.
15.
Okay. What is the sum of the next second row?
Ma'am, 9
15.
plus 5
15.
plus
Ma'am
1.
15.
Ma'am, 15.
What is the sum of
Ma'am, 15.
what is
Ma'am 15.
Ma'am,
Ma'am
15.
15. Ma'am
Ma'am,
15.
15.
Ma'am, 15.
Ma'am, 15.
okay? Good. Now let's take columns. Right? Columns is what this, right or wrong?
Yes,
Can you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
sum of the first column?
Ma'am,
Ma'am 15.
15. Ma'am, 15.
Ma'am 15.
Ma'am,
You have already added.
Ma'am, 15.
Okay, what is the sum of the second column?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
15.
15.
Ma'am, 15. Ma'am, 15.
15.
And what is the sum of last column?
Ma'am, 15.
15.
Ma'am, 15.
15.
Ma'am, 15.
Okay. Now 15. Okay. Equals to 15. Okay. Now, how many diagonals are there? How
Ma'am
many?
2.
Two.
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am 2.
So what is the
Ma'am,
sum
two.
of first diagonal?
Ma'am 15.
Ma'am,
15.
15.
And what is the sum
Ma'am
of the second
15.
diagonal?
Ma'am 15.
Ma'am,
And
15.
Ma'am 15.
what you
Ma'am,
observe?
15.
What you
Ma'am,
observe?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
all
all the
the
answers are
answers.
same.
Ma'am, all the answers are same.
Ma'am, all the answers are same.
Okay. Now, which square is said to be a magic square? सारे squares को क्या magic square बोल सकते हैं?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Call such a magic square whose all the sum columns, sum rows and diagonals addition result is equal. Understood the concept of magic square?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
any one of the equation, these are equations, yes or no? 1, 2,
Yes,
3.
ma'am.
How
Yes,
many
ma'am.
equations there? 1, 2, 3, 4,
I'm
5,
8.
7, 8. 8 equations. In any of the 8 equations, if any one answer is not equal with the others, then that set of square is not called a magic square. Understood the concept of magic square?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is not necessary that whole numbers will be always there. It can be fractions. It can be decimals. Means any type of numbers. But the key remains the same, that That set of square is called a magic square only if it's all the 8 equations framed by the rows, 3 columns and 2 diagonals is equal. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the whole thing, whole chapter of whole numbers, whole data of the whole numbers, right? From
Yes,
my
ma'am.
Yes,
side.
ma'am.
And with this I end the chapter whole numbers, and I hope you will become, your homework is what?
Ma'am,
Now
why the
you do
exercise?
10 to 18
2.2.
question answers
Right. You have to
by
complete
ourselves in the fair copy.
2.1
9 to 18.
in your classwork copies. You have to complete exercise 2.2 in your classwork copies.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.